Welcome to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to insert images in PowerPoint slides. For the purpose of this video, we are inserting 3 blank slides. Let us insert an image on the first slide. To insert an image, go to the Insert tab and click Pictures. We have 3 choices. Let me select the first one. Browse for the picture stored on your PC or attached device. Select the image and click Insert, and it will appear on your slide. Once added, you can resize the image by dragging the corners. To keep proportions correct, hold down the Shift key while resizing. You can also rotate the image by using the rotation handle above it. To insert a picture the second way, click on the arrow next to Pictures in the Insert menu, and this time select Stock Images. If you are connected to the internet, it will show you a collection of stock images. There are many categories with both free and premium images. Select an image from the desired category and then click Insert. The third method to bring pictures to your slides is to select Online Pictures. With the help of Bing, images will be displayed. Select your desired image and click Insert. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more PowerPoint lessons.